Good morning, everybody. It's 2:49 in the morning, heading to the gym. This is my Monday routine. Wake up in the morning, hit the gym. Today we're going to hit some chest, some side delts, and some triceps, some abs, and a little bit of cardio. Stay tuned. All right, here we are. Elevate Bakersfield Gym. About to get it in. All right, first workout's going to be incline bench press.
Everything's what I want it to be. I look exactly like what you always wanted to see. 10, forget about the turn around and still second. If you're second, just get out of the can. I can't pretend this is the way to stay. I'm just lying to adventure. I can't pretend I'm who you want me to be. So I'm lying my way.
Just got done hitting chest. Did some chest, some side delts, front delts, tris, abs. This week, hitting the Stairmaster for 30 minutes each day. Hit cardio in the evenings for about 30 minutes with a weighted vest and then some more abs. So heading back home, shower, get ready for work, and time to farm. All right, I got my tilapia cooking in the air fryer. Got my water with electrolytes in there. My rice cooking. My protein shake. And my coffee ready to go. Time to go shower. On my way to work, got my coffee. Today consists of talking to my guys, planning out the week, this week and next week. Next week we go on vacation. That's why I've been hitting it so hard, trying to get lean, trying to get those visible abs. But today will consist of, like I said, getting my guys set up for the week, for the day, time cards, and some farming. And that's the line of work I am in. I'm in agriculture. I'm a farmer. Yeah, just get it. We are off work, done for the day. Now, time to go home, do my 30 minutes cardio, do some ab roller, cook dinner. I'm a barbecue tri-tips and some asparagus. Jump in the pool with my daughter, shower, get some rest, and do it all over again. See you tomorrow.